These are Cuisenaire rods. We can use them for a variety of work with number. In order to do that, what we need to do is assign a value to the blocks. Let's say that this longest one is 10. That provides us with the values of all the rest in relation to the 10. So let's think about using the rods to do some work with multiplication. So let's do an activity in which we use a couple of dice. So here I have two 10-sided dice, and what I rolled was a 3 and a 2. So what I'm going to do is take grid paper, and I'm going to represent 3 times 2 using the rods. So I know that the green rods are worth 3, and so if I take 2 of them, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on the grid paper, and then I'm going to trace around them and make the space. Okay. Then what I can do is I can take them off. Now I know that 3 times 2, so I've got two groups of 3 here, that makes 6. I can also see that I have 6 squares here, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the multiplication equation. 3 times 2 makes 6. Let's try one more. 8 times 0. No, don't want that. All right, so here I have a 2 and I have an 8. This time I'm going to take the rods that have a value of 8, and I have 2 of them. So I'm going to put them on. I'm just going to make little marks here on the corners. I'm going to trace them, and I can color the space in if I want to. And now I can write the multiplication equation. 2 times 8 gives me 16. And that's how we can use dice, rods, and grid paper to do a fun multiplication activity.